What's going on, team? Happy Monday. It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to the week. Market is starting off by being very, very choppy. So we do have the NASDAQ market down a little bit in the red. Really doesn't mean much. I mean, it's barely down anything, 0.6% so far on the day. It's beginning to show signs of a support, a lot of consolidation here. We're trading within a resistance range of around 287.30 and a support range of around 285, really like 286, right? Support range here, resistance range here. We continue to trade sideways. One of the things that we love reminding our LPP traders is at any time that the market is trading sideways, if direction is unclear and you have an open position, that's a risky position, right? Because any open position is open to risk, right? And if direction is unclear, then you're really doing yourself a disservice of, keeping an open position when it could go either way, right? We do not know if the market's going to continue to either drop or if the market's going to begin to rally once again. All I know is I need to make sure that you guys are all aware of this discussion, right? It's going to be a live speech that's going to happen in about, from the time that I upload this, probably any minute, right? So my job's just to make you aware. Yeah, market can take off, market can drop. So the vice chair of the Federal Reserve will be speaking and giving an economic outlook at Bloomberg Bureau. So this is in Washington, D.C. Just want to make sure that you're aware, because right when she begins to speak, if you begin to see a shift of the overall market, then you at least understand why, what is being said. At least you can tune on in and then make adjustments accordingly, right? When it comes down to overall economic reports this week, I'm going to leave it up to you guys. Tomorrow there's a PPI report. This is the producer price index. You know how last week there was a consumer price index, CPI. This is producer price index. This is about on the producing side of things. This is 1 hour before the market opens. I do not have to go live. I wanted to ask you if you would like me to go live, get this video to over 1,500 likes. I just want to make sure enough people show up. And I would be more than happy to host that free live stream on YouTube, and all you literally have to do is subscribe to this channel and drop a thumbs up. But I'll leave it up to you guys. So if this video gets over 1,500 likes by tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is 1 hour before the market opens, then I'll be more than happy to host that PPI report live stream. If not, I totally understand. I'll just, keep our Learn Plan Profit group up to date under the trade ideas section. So you guys can let me know down in the comment section. Just want to make sure that you guys are aware of this series of different reports that are going to be released, and then what's to come for this upcoming week, right? Other than that, for the PPI report, I would say, in my opinion, that's the most significant thing that's going to be released this week. And then for the Federal Reserve, I just want to make sure that you are aware next week, on the 23rd, so the day before Thanksgiving, we have the FOMC minutes meeting where they pretty much just recap their previous interest rate hikes. So just want to make sure that you guys are aware of that. Today, we have the Vice Chair of the Federal Reserve going to be speaking any minute from the time that I upload this video. And then second, we have the PPI report tomorrow. And that's going to be, I think, one of the most significant things. If PPI comes in higher than expected, then obviously markets can drop. If it comes in lower than expected, markets can continue to rally, even though we are very overbought. Remember, nothing has to happen. Let's allow direction to be in our favor and then trade accordingly. So please watch your position size. I think that's one of the best ways to manage your risk, and or not be afraid to stay cash if you feel like direction is unclear, or if you're in fear of the market selling off but you don't like shorting. So if you have any questions, you guys should know how to reach out to me. If you don't, you can feel free to direct message me via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. If you want to send me a message through Instagram, that's that third link down below. And yes, I am verified on Instagram. That is my only Instagram account, so please make sure that you are aware of that. I do trade live every single day. I traded live with our LPP team. It was a little bit choppy. Market was originally selling off, and then it began to take off, right? So it's been a choppy morning so far, but anytime that the market's choppy, anytime that the market direction is unclear, you can either have a very light position and or stay cash. But if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, then make sure you click that second link in the description down below. Learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, especially if you're an absolute beginner. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and right now we're running a huge sale, so please make sure that you're aware of that. If you have any questions, you guys know how to reach out. Hope that we earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.